I've got a 2020 Toyota Supra and it's lowered and I've got a front lip on it, and that makes it really difficult to jack up. My problem is that even with this low profile racing jack, hits my splitter right there. So I was looking for a solution and I went on Amazon and I was looking for basically the best ramps that I could find for reasonable cost, and I found these. So let's open them up. Let's see if they're any good. I'm gonna have a link to these in the description so you can pick them up directly. You don't pay anything extra. I just get a tiny little commission from Amazon. So let's see what they look like. They're quite light. So they're pretty simple. They're just a one-piece design. They've sort of got this honeycomb type construction here, so they should be able to handle a fair bit of weight. These were $50 for the pair. It is a 2.5-inch rise where it matters. And then you got a little lip over here too, which is gonna help you, I guess, figure out not to drive over that lip. Let's see how they work. That little indentation, that little curved part at the top of the ramp made it pretty easy to feel when the car was just in the right spot when I got to the end, so I didn't go over it. I think these ramps are pretty good for 50 bucks. I've been looking around for something like this for a while. These seem to be pretty high quality. I don't think they're gonna break. Anyways, if you like this video, I've got more. I've also got a video on how to use a torque wrench, how to jack up your car, and go check out my main channel as well, where I do car reviews and automotive news. Go ahead and click that link if you want to get a set of these. Again, it's not gonna cost you anything extra.